GST Journal Entries with examples. Welcome to today's video. We'll learn about GST Journal Entries with practical examples. Many businesses get confused about how to record GST in books of accounts. Today, we'll make it simple. 1. Basics of GST in accounting. GST equals goods and services tax, indirect tax on supply of goods and AMP, services. 2 types of GST for intrastate, CGST and AMP, SGST. For interstate, IGST. Important accounts used. Input CGST, SGST, IGST. Tax paid on purchases. Output CGST, SGST, IGST. Tax collected on sales. 2. Journal entries for purchases. Pushpin example. Purchase goods worth 100,000 rupees within the state. GST at 18%. Entry. Purchases account 1,000,000 input CGST account 9,000 input SGST account 9,000 to creditors account 18,000 right finger explain. Purchases recorded net. GST treated as input credit. 3. Journal entries for sales. Pushpin example. Sold goods worth 200,000 rupees within the state. GST at 18%. Entry. Debtors account 36,000 to sales account 2,000,000 to output CGST account 18,000 to output SGST account 18,000 right finger explain. GST collected becomes liability, output. 4. Set off of GST input and AMP. Output. Businesses can adjust input GST against output GST. Pushpin example. Output CGST equals 18,000. Input CGST equals 9,000 right pointing arrow net payable equals 9,000. Entry. Output CGST account 18,000 to input CGST account 9,000 to GST payable account 9,000. Same for SGST, IGST. 5. Payment of GST to government. Pushpin example. Paid GST liability of 18,000 rupees. Entry. GST payable account 18,000 to bank account 18,000. 6. Purchase and AMP. Sale with IGST. Purchase example. Interstate purchase 100,000 rupees. IGST at 18%. Purchases account 1,000,000 input IGST account 18,000 to creditors account 18,000 sale example. Interstate sale 200,000 rupees. IGST at 18%. Debtors account 36,000 to sales account 2,000,000 to output IGST account 36,000. 7. Final summary. Purchases equals input GST, asset. Sales equals output GST, liability. Net GST equals output, input right pointing arrow paid to Gov. This is how GST flows through your accounts. Understanding journal entries helps in filing returns smoothly. Hope this clears your GST journal entry doubts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more accounting and AMP finance tutorials.